Hey friends, once again welcome back to Unboxing Naga. Friends, I'm back with another new content. Hotela video nchina achieve mo ekta nutun content anina ase amnen gane. Etu video content do kila ase gole do iPhone 14 Pro Max la proge moi kan review grole ase. Hoi amne ki honishe do thik honishe moi kan iPhone 14 Pro Max la proge review grole ase. Aro moi iPhone 14 Pro Max la itula details to amnen ge brief pa samjole gro mola best try gro aro kiman junbi saina ase moi sob ke request gro ki amnen video di skip na gona sawi. Aro kuno bada plan guna thakibo ki iPhone 14 Pro Max kinibole to amni khan gani etu video to bishi helpful hobo to moi sob manne request kro ki video to skip na guna sawi to thik ase video start kuro iPhone 14 Pro Max la boge to moi first khota kuro tela operating system la boge itu ase iOS v16 itu chike mon khota kuro internal storage itu ase 1 terabyte aro memory slot to iPhone 14 Pro Max kiro thalo na pare aro tela processor do hexa core thake aro tela display resolution do 2556 to 1179 thake aro tela display size ase 6.7 inches aro tela body weight thake 250 gram aro tela sensor do face ID thake aro fingerprint kan thake aro tela battery type to Leon 4323 mAh ase aro battery do allow na pare aro wireless charging the iPhone 14 Pro Max ke support thaiye alak Android phone khan de do wireless charging the support na thake holebi iPhone 14 Pro Max pa do wireless charging the support thaiye aro tai kina dalba charger cholai gole do lightning port cholai aro itia mon taila RAM na bori khota guna jabo itu ase 6GB RAM aro 50% in 30 minutes as claimed by the brand itu ase taila charging speed 1 hour ge do 100% to hojabo as advertised ase idu to taige 3 rear camera thake iPhone 14 Pro Max e tinda camera thake idu ase 48 MP for main wide angle camera aro next la thake 12 MP for ultra wide idu bi rear camera lai ase idu aro next la thake 12 MP ase idu telephoto camera ase aro selfie to 12 MP thake taila aro network type to 5G 4G 3G 2G sob support thake India ge aro colors to deep purple gold space black silver itu kan thake to itu iPhone 14 Pro Max to water resistant thake yes water resistant up to 30 minutes in a depth of 6 meter IP68 which means to amni phone pani ki kerai disigule 30 minute la capacity to hold gorle paro aro phone to phat pian ho hole itlo apro jaise gole to phone completely shut down hole bi kiba eta defect to thakibo aro tai to touch proof thake it has Apple's ceramic seal glass in the front surgical grade stainless steel launch in India yes India ga already available ase itu do India ga release kurise September 7 2022 ge to hey friends finally mon video na khatam hoya ase aro moi kiman chunbi video last tak thaise moi biswas ase ki amen nutun ekta cheez to siki luise guna to unboxing naga ge support kori dibi like skribi share koribi ina comment kori dibi aro amni kan moge ekta comment section ge jegena message to rakhi dibi ki kila phone oboge review koro guna to hey friends finally mon video na khatam hoya ase aro amni ge video kina lagise edu feedback to comment section ge janai dibi aro friends stay tuned because I'm going to drop a new content very soon aro likes kori dibi share kori dibi comment kori dibi channel ge nutun ase gole ki legole amne ekta like share bodo moge courage dibo next video banawole